Year after year, Graincraft works behind the scenes to identify wheat varieties that result in excellent milling and baking qualities. This variety selection is not taken lightly and is a combination of ongoing varietal research, deep understanding, years of experience, and the ability to immerse ourselves into the fields through environmental factors and unexpected challenges. This research and deep-rooted knowledge are what continues to progress varieties into better wheat for our growers and more consistent flour for our bakers.
I would describe Graincraft's commitment to wheat quality as highly noticeable. To be able to increase yield and keep protein at or above a certain level means that we can provide a reliable and desirable source of flour for milling companies and baking companies. I admire the level of commitment to wheat quality to the level that it motivates me as a wheat breeder. If you're that committed to wheat quality on your end, then I'm going to be committed to wheat quality on mine to make it all work together.